In this tutorial, we're going to create this effect. We can have different shapes, colors, and timing for this effect. First, insert an image. For this example, I have chosen an image of Albert Einstein. Fill the slide with this image. Now we're going to flip it. Click the image and then click Picture Format. Click on Rotate and choose Flip Horizontal. Go to the Insert tab and click on Shapes. Choose a rectangle and place it on half the page like this. Next, go to Shape Format and change the shape outline to None, and the shape fill to the color that you want. In this case, the color is a very dark gray. Go to Insert and insert a text box. Type in Albert Einstein. Change the text to a different font and adjust the size of the font. Adjust it to be centered and move it to the center of the slide. Select the rectangle and the text. Go to Shape Format and choose Merge Shapes. Choose the option to combine. To animate it, click the rectangle and go to Animations. Choose Fly In. Go to Effect Options and choose from the right. You can now see a small box with the number 1 on it. That is the animation. Go up and click the animation pane to choose the timing and other options for this animation. A side box will show up. Click on the highlighted animation and from the drop-down menu, choose Timing. Adjust it to medium to make the animation a bit slower and choose with Previous. Here's the slower version and then the faster one. You can choose different shapes, colors, and timing for this effect. Please do consider liking and subscribing for more of these tutorials. Thank you for watching.